Hey everybody, welcome back to A Better Computer. My name is Matt, and this right here is a deconstructed iPhone 4 that I'm going to hang on my wall, and I think it's pretty rad. This is from a company called Grid. They do this sort of thing for a whole bunch of products. I think they started doing it with iPhones, but they also do it with, I think they do Apple Watch ones, they do other phones, they do like old Game Boys and stuff. So they have a whole bunch like this. Just full disclosure, they did send this out to me to do whatever I wanted with. I don't actually have to make a video if I don't want to. I don't have an affiliate link or anything to give you. I will put a link to their store in the description so you can check them out if you're interested. But yeah, I don't have to do anything for them, which is kind of awesome. But I was hoping they would be able to send me an iPhone 4 because this was my first iPhone. The original iPhone came out when I was in college and I had zero money. I had the wrong carrier, so there was no reality where I was going to get that one.
Are you getting it?
By the time the Verizon iPhone 4 came out, I think in early 2011, I was finally able to get one, and it was awesome. It was an incredible phone. This was the first one where Apple had their own silicon in there. It wasn't the fully integrated thing that they have now. But the A4 processor had Apple's designed CPU on there. The GPU was still kind of like a standard issue one, like off-the-shelf thing. This was also the first iPhone with a front-facing camera. This was also the first iPhone that bumped up the normal camera resolution to 5 megapixels. They were 2 megapixels before that. So you got a big jump in just the image quality you could get from it. This added a gyroscope. This was a really good upgrade to the iPhone, and that doesn't even mention the incredible design, the pancake glass design that it had.
Stop me if you've already seen this.
That I think still looks really nice. It's actually interesting we can't do it with this one, but if you get one today and you hold it, it still is iconic, it still is really great, but it helps you notice how much improved the build quality of new iPhones is, just like the precision of how everything is. It was great back then, but it's not as great as it is today, so it's kind of interesting to see that. But yeah, this was an awesome iPhone. I'm excited to have it on my wall, and yeah, check it out. Check out the link in the description if you want to see what other ones they have available. I'm interested in the Game Boy one myself, but yeah, there's quite a bit here if you are into retro tech or anything. So yeah, wanted to show it off today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you here next time. Bye-bye.